Hey, I'm Tay, and this is a quick review of Severus Snape Nendoroid from Harry Potter movies and books. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Harry Potter franchise, but my girlfriend and a lot of my friends loved and still love these stories, so I can't say that I don't care about it at all. And yet, Professor Snape Nendoroid is the first and the last Nendoroid from Harry Potter franchise that I will ever get, unless they announce and release Newt Scamander Nendoroid. Then I will think about it. I do like this character. But for now, Newt Scamander Nendoroid is just a dream, so let's take a look at Severus Snape Nendoroid. His box is standard and designed really well. He comes with a lot of accessories, and I appreciate it a lot. This Nendoroid is of standard kind, and so his articulation is limited. Also, he has a big sturdy cloak that limits his movement further. But on the other hand, this cloak lets Snape stand on his own, without any stands or stand arms. The sculpt is based on movie design, it is nice, and all the details are pretty awesome. Professor Snape Nendoroid also comes with younger body. This one has wider range of movement, but of course not on par with super movable Nendoroids. Out of all the details, I really like this small emblem of Slytherin. It's really cute. In addition to two bodies, this Nendoroid comes with three faceplates. The first faceplate is standard, serious one. The second faceplate is annoyed one, or I call it a little girl meme faceplate. And the third faceplate is the same as the first one. It's standard, serious expression, but it's a younger one, and that's what I find really interesting. While talking about younger Severus Snape Nendoroid, I can also add that there are some accessories just for the younger version, like additional hands clenched in fists, and a special Slytherin scarf that I really like and I wanna put on all my other Nendoroids. I'm sure they will look really cute in it. Next, Snape Nendoroid has a cauldron. I expected it to be bigger, but it's tiny, it's cute, and that's all a Nendoroid accessory should be. So no real complaints here. Of course, younger Snape was already a wizard, so he had a wand and a special hand to hold it. And in fact, the Nendoroid has two hands for holding magic wand. This one and another attacking hand. I really like that Guzman Company thought about adding different hands for different occasions. These two hands and the possibility to change them adds a lot of variety for posing Professor Snape Nendoroid. And as I speak about posing, please take a look now at his other hand. I call it a special gesture hand and has no other practical use, but I like it. Next, there is a bent arm, a hand, and a Veritaserum bottle. I find that the choice of material for this bottle is awesome. It's a little bit transparent, it's of nice green hue, and so when lit, it creates a feeling of some magic in it. And it's just perfect for this character and for what he does. And the last accessories are his crossed arms. These look just perfect on him. To be honest, I was a little afraid to put them, because usually crossed arms on Nendoroids are two separate pieces, but not this time. This time they're rubbery just enough not to break. I recommend you to be a little bit careful when you play with your Professor Snape Nendoroid. All in all, this Nendoroid is great. I'm happy for all the Harry Potter fans and Professor Snape fans, because this one is a great example of the whole line, and even more. As you remember, he comes with younger body, younger faceplate, and accessories, so if you want, you may find some split Nendoroid communities, some split Nendoroid groups on Instagram or on Facebook. You can just find some similar hairpiece and just assemble a separate younger version of him, preserving the older one. In the end, it's a great Nendoroid for anybody. If you like Harry Potter, it's a great merch to have. If you love Nendoroids, it's a great Nendo to have. No matter how you look at this Nendo, it's awesome. That's the conclusion of my quick review. And yet I have 2 cents to add. This time I want to check what Nendoroids will fit this scarf. For this I chose 3 Nendoroids. One with bare shoulders, one with big chest, and one with collar. Now I want to check if Slytherin scarf will fit all of them. As you can see, Nendoroid with bare shoulders fit nicely with the scarf. To my surprise, Nendoroid with big chest also fits nicely with this scarf, and I believe it's because of the material this scarf is made of. As you can see, it's soft and it bends. And to be honest, this one I would call a fail. From some angles it works nice, but I can see only how long his neck got. Also I can see some big gaps here and like over his shoulder. You can see Jotaro right now, he has a lot of sculpt around his collar and even some sculpted chain, so it's up to you. You can see how it fits. I don't see it as a success, but maybe it's enough for you, and that's all that matters. These were my 2 cents, and it's time for the photoshoot and the behind the scenes. This photo was easy to organize because I had this idea many months ago. Then it had to be Akko in Professor Snape's place. When I was about to take the shot, I remembered that I have Snape Nendoroid pre-ordered, and it would be a great crossover between 2 wizard universes. So I held on this idea, and the time has come now. The cat is Nyao Sensei from Comic Girls anime and manga. The only Nendoroid from this series is awesome. I totally recommend just watching the series and getting the Nendoroid. Susie, of course, is from Little Witch Academia, a great show that I also recommend to everybody. As you can see, the idea is pretty simple, so I decided to play with it more, and the animation was a game of my choice. Animating the whole scene would be difficult, so I decided to go just with the most important parts of any portrait, the eyes. I don't have enough experience for a perfect result, but I do like what came out. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I would be happy to answer or record a little tutorial. Anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Tay, it's been Tays and Figures, and bye!